General dictation 60 words per minute. Get ready. Start. Dear sir, paragraph. We are in receipt of your letter regarding issue and payment of telephone bill. Full stop. One bill for each telephone connection is prepared every 2 months, covering the rent for 2 months and charges for local calls as well as trunk calls. Full stop. The bill is issued for the preceding 2 months. Full stop. The bill should be paid within 15 days from the date of issue. Full stop. You can pay the bill in the post office or at our service centers. Full stop. If you pay by check in post office, the check should be drawn in favor of the postmaster. Full stop. If you pay at our service centers, the check should be drawn in favor of accounts officer. Full stop. Outstation checks will not be accepted. Full stop. If the bill is not paid within 15 days of issue, telephone will become liable for disconnection. Full stop. However, the telephone will be rung up after 15 days of issue of the bill. Full stop. Any person that answers will be told about the unpaid bill and the amount thereof. Full stop. If there is no reply on the second or third attempt, no further ringing will be done. Full stop. If checks are not passed for payment by the bank, the telephone will be disconnected immediately. Full stop. We hope you are satisfied with the information for issue and payment of telephone bill. If you want anything more, please feel free to write to us again. Full stop. The telephone department is always at customers service. Full stop. Yours faithfully. Stop.